Yeah, sometimes we get good funny ones here. Here's a Tuesday quickie for you. I got this Dodge Durango. It's got the big 5.7 in it. I'll fire this pig up. Of course, lights are on. The money light's on. The guy complained that his throttle light would come on driving and go in reduced power mode. Yada yada. I took it for a ride. Throttle light didn't come on, but one thing I did notice is that it has a really bad surging idle. So if these things start getting a lot of false air, it screws up the throttle, shuts down the system, and life goes on. We could sit here and wait for this idle to go down, but I'm not going to bore you with that. Let's get to the fun stuff. Easiest way to see if these have massive vacuum leaks is to just plug off the throttle. And if they stall, they don't have a leak. But if you can plug the throttle body off completely and it stays running, they have a leak, like this one does. Massive, massive leak. The best part is, this leak could have gotten real stupid real quick. So look at the EGR tube down here. Whoa, that's my light. That, folks, is battery wire for the alternator that is in between the broken tube on the EGR. That's like a setup for disaster right there. Looks like it's been rubbing a while. It's got a nice round groove built into it. So either really crappy metal on the EGR tube or just really great insulation on that wire. One or the other. Pop that baby off. And of course, with this being a speed density, a MAP engine, it doesn't affect fuel trims or frankly anything. It affects the throttle because as the manifold pressure decreases, we start to, or I guess increase rather, the throttle's just going to start to go closed until it can't go closed anymore. Then you'll start getting idle codes and everything else. Anyhow, that's it. Just wanted to bring it along, give you a quickie Tuesday, something to chuckle about. And I'm going to get it outside before it goes up in smoke in my shop. And because I know you're the curious type, here's what it looked like when I pulled it out. It has actually welded its way through, or cut its way through. There's only about a strand or so left on that wire. And I assume it just sat there arcing because whoever put the engine in this, when they replaced the engine, ran the harness on the wrong side. The harness is supposed to be on the inside of that EGR tube. And, well, frankly, it wasn't. So, there you go. One wire to the alternator. The other one goes over to the power distribution center. And you don't put things back where they belong, bad things can happen. So, lifeless.